Hello everyone, did you know that there is this cool app called GeoGebra? GeoGebra graphing calculator. So you can create all these graphs, graph functions, equations, and then use different calculations. So just tap cat, go to App Store, tap cat, confirm with your Touch ID or Face ID, Apple ID, and then you can install this app for free. It's a bit big, it's 120 megabytes, but there you have that. So that's the app, and then you can just tap open. And the app should be installed on your device. So that's that, and then you can just start dragging and start like doing all this like functions and calculations and all of that. So that's how you install the app on iPhone.